There is a 1 in 3 chance that the ATV will carry its rider to serious injury or death.
Alright guys, here is the Honda 250R. This is a 84 model. This is the air-cooled. My brother-in-law says he wants to ride it. It's been a while since he's ridden it. Actually, it's been a long time. The last time he rode this thing, he said he actually flipped it backwards and fell on his back. And ever since then, hasn't ridden it. So it's been a long time, and wants to get it off the trailer and ride it and see how he does. This thing is actually really, really fun, but also at the same time very dangerous. This thing was actually banned in the late 80s and early 90s because of how dangerous these things are and how many people were actually dying riding these because of how dangerous they are. But yeah, I'm gonna get this off the trailer and get it started for him and see how he does. Now you can start it.
Okay, so what I do?
Now you just kick start it. Oh yeah, what happened? You let go of it too fast.
What do you mean?
I think once you start moving, like, give it more gas and then let go of it.
I feel like it's gonna flip.
It won't now. No, don't give it too much gas.
Oh shit, I forgot the clutch.
That's when you flip it over. Whoa, what happened? There you go. Gas, get.
Don't stop.
You got it.
I'm pushing the gas.
Gas.
What the fuck you getting mad at me?
I can't believe you doing that.
I don't know how to do it. I only rode this shit once when I was young, when I was little, and I fucking flipped on it, and I never wanted to ride it again.
Even me pushing him.
There you go. Gas.
I had to let go. Should have ran on first, yeah.
Once he gets the hang of it.
Hope he gets stuck over here.
If he gets stuck,
He's gonna have to push it back.
you know, hell of a time trying to put it back. Took him an hour to start it.
An hour to learn how to get it on first.
I'm done. Nah.
Get on the grass.
This shit's badass, though.
Despite the mounting number of lawsuits and increasing legal pressure from the consumer products, ATV manufacturers agreed to stop producing and selling three-wheelers.